this blue doesn't really work. I'm gonna use this blue. Ooh, that works better. It's a darker color. So, it might not be very perfect, but try your best. Except this marker doesn't have many ink too. Like this. And now you're going to cut out this. Now you made a little suit, and you're gonna tape it on. You need to tape it more firm so it won't fall off. Like this. Now here's your little outfit. Like Grandma has an outfit. Do they look the same or different? I know they are because they have different shirts. And Grandpa doesn't have hands yet. Looks like a zombie without hands. Zombies aren't my favorite, but I don't really have toys of zombies because there's none of them I can buy, but I really don't want them. Zombies are my most terrifying things. Don't, please don't give me a zombie gift. Here, like this. So then you're going to make your two little legs. After you put on the legs, you're going to make the tennis batter and all those stuff like that. Okay, now you made it. Now it's finished. Now you're going to make the batter. The most important thing. So all you need is a piece of paper and then cut it into a batter shape. like this. Now you are going to cut it the way it should be. This will be something like science because I planned this, but it will be very soft like real toys because this is made out of trash. Don't tell a secret. I said. Now here's your tennis batter, and you're almost done. You just need to tape it on, and then you're finished. I'm going to show you how it looks after. Ta-da! Now you made it. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for watching part 2. Remember to subscribe, share, and like, okay?